Hey, what's going on? So today I'm reviewing the Autel AutoLink AL539. The AL539 is a 2-in-1 combination OBD2 scanner and multimeter. So inside the box you have the scanner itself and a carrying case. Inside the carrying case you have your OBD2 cable, your multimeter leads, user manual, and USB cable. So the AL539 has an internal battery, so you don't need to be plugged into a car to turn this thing on. The unit itself has a rubber protective outer edge, has a stand here on the back, got your cable hookups, OBD2 cable hookup, and that's it on the outside of this unit. So you can see the main menu has your OBD2 and eOBD scanner, your ready test, your diagnostic trouble code lookup, review data, print data, setup, start test, and your multimeter. First, let's look into the multimeter. So you have all the multimeter functions for automotive and more: DC voltage quantity, AC voltage quantity, continuity, diode test, amperage, milliamperage, and up top you have auto detect. And down here you have your plug selection for your leads. I'm sure you want to see how responsive the multimeter is, and so do I, so I'm going to try it out real quick. Set it to DC voltage, that's what I'm working with. Touching battery now. It's pretty much instantaneous, as I expected. There's one other thing I want to see on here. For continuity. Does it make a noise? Yes, it does. So there you have a little demonstration of the multimeter. This screen is backlit, so you can easily use it at night. As far as the automotive functions go, you have your quick IM readiness button right here. You need to be connected to a vehicle to use this, of course. This can do a battery and starting test via the OBD2 cable. Right here, start test. You go into there. You got your starting test and your charging test. Either connect it to the OBD2 port on the car or use the leads to attach it directly to the battery. I'm going to try the start test. Now we'll do the other test, the charge test. And of course you have your standard OBD2 and eOBD scanning. You can read the codes, erase the codes, see the live data, view the freeze frame, IM readiness, O2 monitor test, onboard monitor test, component test, vehicle info, modules present, and units of measure. So this is a really great tool if you're doing a lot of electrical work on cars and scanning. And it's great and it's handy, and you should check it out. I'll have a link in the description. I'll have a link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you next time.